Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your Pinterest account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Pinterest account, then what you can do is just simply open up your Pinterest application. After opening up your Pinterest application, now what you can do is, if you have linked to your account with Google or with Facebook, you can just simply tap on continue with Google or Facebook and then open up your account. But if you have manually created your account, or if you have not linked your account with Facebook or with Google, then what you can do is just simply manually enter your email address and password. So just tap on email address and then enter your email address. After entering your email address, just tap on continue, and after tapping on continue, now you have to enter your account's password. After entering your account's password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, here you can see guys, you are successfully logged into your Pinterest account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Pinterest account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.